Right now I am in front of Qianpu Lighting. They are professional in making LED light bulb, panel light, and ceiling light. Okay, now let's get closer and have a look. Hi, my name is Kathy. May I have your name?
My name is Eddie Yu.
Okay, Eddie, please say hello to our audience.
Hello, everyone.
Okay, so Eddie, would you like to tell us something about your company?
Well, actually, we are a lighting company lies in the Guzheng city, and we have many experience in lighting equipment, and we have many products.
Okay, so now I can't wait to find out more about your products. Would you like to introduce a little bit?
Well, actually, you can see this is our A bulb, and this bulb can be used in many occasions, like a home or office or factory.
Okay, so
and we have many shapes and power, from small to comparatively big.
Oh, right, I can tell we can have multiple options, like from the very small size to the medium one and to the larger one.
Yes.
Okay, you can use it at home,
Yeah.
in the factory, and in the office.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I can tell this light bulb is very bright.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, and what else?
This is actually the different shape. This is called a T-bulb.
T-bulb. Okay, yeah, they are very different from the one that we just saw. These are like a letter T, right?
Yeah,
T shape.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so still they have small size, medium one, and large one. Yeah, I can tell. Wow, it's very shiny.
Yeah, yes.
What is the temperature of it?
Temperature,
Color temperature?
it's white.
White.
Yeah.
Maybe like 6,000.
Super white.
Yeah, maybe like 6,000 K. Right. Okay. And I also noticed that you have many different types of accessories.
Yes.
Okay.
And we actually can help foreign clients to build their factory in their own country.
Okay.
And we export these SKD parts.
Okay.
And they can use this SKD part to just organize this part to be a finished one.
Okay, I see. So basically, I can tell these are the accessory of the panel light, right?
Yeah, panel lights.
Yeah, I can tell. So you basically sell the parts to the customer,
Yeah.
and the customer they can assemble it at their own factory.
Yes.
Oh, that's like cool. That's cool. Okay.
And
okay.
if they have any problem, we can help them. Like if they have need a machine, we can also help them to
Assemble it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Thank you. Okay, now let's find out more about the products. And I think these are the
SKD over bulb.
yeah, these are the accessory parts of the bulbs.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
And
This is the shape.
Luminous bulb.
Right.
Board.
Still, you have so many different shades and different specification parts, right? All right, and also notice that you have some full items, like this is the panel light, right? From the round one,
Yes, to square one.
square one, and how do you call this?
Yeah.
Honeycomb?
Yeah, honeycomb we can call it.
All right, yeah.
Like
Oh, and I also noticed that the color temperature is different.
yeah,
this is
one
warm.
is more warm.
Yeah, yeah. So the color temperature can be changed.
Yeah, color
Right.
temperature.
Yeah,
Its color temperature is 3,000 maybe.
3,000 K, maybe 2,700 to 3,000 K, right? Okay. So everyone, if you are looking for some different color temperatures, like in the panel light or the wall light or the light bulbs, I think Qianpu could be your best choice. Okay, so everyone, if you are interested in their products or their company, don't forget to leave a message below and scan the QR code at the end of the video. We are going to have someone to help you. So that's all for today's Qianpu's visiting. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Bye bye.